Hi, I'm Dave Swan. I'm the CTO at Tharsis. So at Tharsis, everything we do is about technology, but it's not about blue sky technology. It's about commercial application, using technology for a real purpose. And that does mean bringing different solutions from different places to come together into a working solution. We thrive on our networks. We build continuously, not just in our supply base where we work with some of the best suppliers in the world, but we also work with networks around universities and other sort of startups in this space. We are a great believer in together we can be stronger. So we spend a lot of time making sure that we're talking to the right people about the right things. There's some amazing things that go on in universities in the UK, and they are at the cutting edge of quite a lot of stuff that goes on inside robotics. The thing that we get to do is we get to see it, we get to participate in it, but then we get to bring it into commercial reality. Take what's demonstrated in the laboratory and apply it to real world problems. But the big challenge is to make it reliable and make it something that you can build a solution on. At Tharsis we get to play with some really exciting technologies and some really exciting opportunities, and it can be quite daunting, and certainly the people that we deal with really know their stuff. And you could say, well, what does Tharsis bring to this? But we bring the common sense, we bring the clarity, we give the commercial drive, and the ability to sort of navigate what can be quite treacherous waters between this great new idea and a commercial product. And because we've done it lots of times, we know some of the pitfalls, we've built processes around it, so we just bring that clarity of destination and of purpose along that way. We're great collaborators, we'll reach out to talk to people who really know their stuff, but then we'll bring it into the business, and then we will integrate it, we'll make it work, we'll bring bits together like a jigsaw to make that final picture. And that's really where our expertise lies. It's in that integration and making it work. You've got the idea, you've got the challenge, just give Tharsis a call. You know, it's never a wasted chat. We can help you understand the magnitude of the opportunity that you're facing and some of the journey and the steps that are going to be along the way. We've done it before, we can do it for you. So just give us a shout.